Hi there, everyone. Today I'm going to teach you all how to make any illustration from a picture in Adobe Draw. As you all know, that Adobe Draw always make vectors. For that, I am choosing a picture, not necessary. You can take any picture of yours or any picture from Pinterest I have chosen. My favorite objects are like simple objects like vase, candles, candle holders. The list goes on. So I have chosen this picture. I am going to zoom it, maximize it so I can illustrate it better. After choosing this layer, for choosing this picture, we have to take an image layer, and I'm putting the opacity down so that I can trace it very nicely. I will take the brush size to 6.5, and I'm choosing the color maybe brown. Here I have chosen the brown color, but I thought to make black also, so that I can change later also. Now when I will zoom this vase, this is a wooden vase, but I'm not taking as it a wooden vase. There would be so many mistakes. Maybe you have to undo it, and again we have to press 2 fingers at a time to undo. Here we go again. No, not next time. I haven't made it properly, so the third time I'm trying my best to draw it accurately. At least after filling the color in it, it should be looking like a vase. So let's see how I will go. Okay, the fourth time we'll go. I didn't actually cut this video. I wanted to tell you that keep trying. After illustrating any picture, after repeating so many times, you will get a correct picture. Now I have made the vase. I will take another layer by the name of draw layer, because I'm not inserting any picture. Now I'm going to draw another, and that is, I think I'm going to choose the stem. Here the stem I am choosing, it's brown color, but later I'll change my mind because I will pick the colors from the original picture. So here I will go and take the original picture, load the opacity down to the very lowest, and I am going to choose the colors from the original picture from the eyedropper tool. What I will do, that I'll go to the color and will make my library. Let's say I'll take this library name Big Leaves Green Pale, or Pale Green. Sorry for my grammar, bear with me. Now I'll take the color, choose the color, and put it in my Big Leaves Pale Green library. Here I'll choose random colors. I'll try my best to take lighter colors instead of dark. So I have taken some pale green, all sort of greens. Here I'll take another draw layer. I'll take the color of stem also, so that I would know what's the actual color of the stem. Here are my 4 to 5 colors. Now I'll start drawing the stem with the same exact color as shown in the picture. Here I will put the opacity down, and let's go make the stem. I am just making it roughly so that you all know how to draw on or trace on any object. So I have filled the color. For filling the color, what we need to do, we have to press harder on the iPad so that it gives the color. Now I'm going to make leaves. leaves, I have chosen some pale green, pale brown color, and it should not be exact same shape. Like in this picture, the leaves are some pointy leaves, right? So I'm just using my bind to make it pale green. Now here I see that the color is not filling inside. I'm checking all the corners that they are all joined. If they are not joined, I cannot fill the color. So later I got to know that I was on the wrong layer. Look, that my layer was on the stem. Actually, I had to go on the top layer to fill the color. See, the color is filled now. Now I'm going to draw another leaf which is behind this brown leaf. So I'll take another layer to draw another leaf. Every part of a picture should be on a separate layer. So here I go and take a draw layer, and I will take another color. I'll trace it out just roughly. Don't try to be perfect, right? So keep drawing the leaves. Here I have chosen the lighter color, then another leaf. Here we should use our aesthetic sense also, that the leaves are overlapped here, and we should be careful about the underneath part of the leaves. So here I'm thinking to make some darker shade inside the leaf so that it will be dark. So let's see what color I chose. I took the darker green. Here I have lowered the opacity to see why it is not filling my color. But again, I was on the separate layer, so keep in mind always, sometimes it slips off of my mind also. So here is the back side of the leaf. I've put it lighter. Forget the veins right now. I'm just tackling the shape of a leaf. Here I go again. I have made now 4 leaves. I'll take another color, and I'm trying to make a separate leaf again. Make sure all the joints are look, this is a mistake I have done. It makes no sense. So I will change the color now. Here it is. So it's kind of a bouquet of leaves, different colors of leaves. Here are 2 leaves overlapped, but I don't care. I'll make on my own. It's not necessary to copy exact picture. Just use your mind and make your illustration. Here, look, here I have to correct that. I'll correct that for sure. So I will put the back leaf color also, and I will correct this part. I'll try to fix all these nitty gritty points of a leaf. I'll make sure that it's all brown in color. So here I am correcting all the parts which I think they are not filled. Make sure all leaves look better. So here is the illustration we have made on Adobe Draw. Now I have hidden the layer of basic picture. Here my vase is ready. See you next time, inshallah. So make sure to subscribe, comment and share my videos. See you next time.